All right, if you're looking for help on station 3, there are only 2 problems you have to deal with here. Both of them are a little bit tricky, but nothing that people cannot do. So I don't want to do these problems for you, so I'm going to do something different. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take each of these and I'm going to just change something in each one. Instead of 11, I'm going to make it, I don't know, 14. So I'll solve this problem, and you still solve the other problem you have. And then down here, maybe I'll make this one, instead of 12 degrees each, maybe I'll just make it 8. All right, so in my problem, the sum of the interior angles is 14 times larger than the sum of the exterior angles. Okay, so there's 2 parts to this problem. One, we're talking about the sum of the interior angles. The sum of the interior angles is always n minus 2 times 1. Okay, so we have the n minus 2 times 180. That's sum of the interior angles. It's 14 times more than the sum of the exterior angles. Well, the sum of the exterior angles is always the same thing. That's always 360. So when I have this n minus 2 times 180, that's got to be 14 times more than 360. So that's got to be equal to 14 times 360. And here I have an equation. This is the equation I'm going to have to solve here. 14 times 360 is going to be some really big number. I don't know what it is. But what I want to do here is solve this equation for n. So whatever I get when I do this, my next steps are going to be to divide by 180 and then simply add 2. And that should tell me how many sides that shape has. For a problem like number 6, it says the measure of an exterior angle is 8 degrees. Okay, well, that means if I have some sort of polygon, the exterior angles are each 8 degrees. So here's some polygon, and I have these exterior angles, and each one of these is 8. And what I don't know is how many of them I have. There are 8, 8, 8 going around. How many 8s do I need to get up to 360? Real simple. Just, in my case, divide 360 by 8 to figure out how many of them I need or how many sides the shape has. And that's it. That should be enough to get you through station 3.